This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Jesse Friday $1,000 agent incentive. Desired Hardin Valley neighborhood zoned HV schools. Master on main. Smart home with surveillance cameras. Vaulted and 9 ceiling, open floor plan, timeless hardwood flooring. Updated kitchen with organizer cabinets and drawers, stainless appliances, granite, tile flooring, newly installed tile backsplash. Large master with updated, double vanity bathroom and walk-in closet you can't miss. Upstairs has 3 bedrooms within a bonus room with built-in shelving. Relax on the screened and back porch watching your favorite ball game. Fenced yard with playground, can be removed, on rubber mulch. So.Much.Extra.Storage with convenient access. Well kept and clean. Neighborhood pool. The owners have truly enjoyed this neighborhood. Tankless water heater and yard irrigation. For more information